Hi, I'm Andrew Harnett with HAAS Automation, and today we're going to take a look at a new option for accomplishing dry machining on HAAS VMCs. Here with me today is Mark Terryberry. He's one of our applications engineers, and Mark is going to walk us through how this option works. So what do you have for us?
Well, this is our new option, our new Through Tool Air Blast, TAB for short, option, which flows high pressure, high CFM air right through the tool to get chips out of a pocket.
So, as I was walking up to the machine earlier, I noticed that you have some interesting tools up in the tool changer. Are those air-driven tools?
Yeah, they are. Those are high-speed air-driven spindles, and they're using the TAB Air Blast option to drive them.
So you change those out into the spindle just like a regular 40 taper tool?
Yeah, and since they're driven by the TAB option, there's no need for external air lines to be mounted. The air that comes right through the spindle is driving them, and they can go right through the normal tool change process.
That's great. So it looks like you're starting off with a really small ball end mill there.
Really small. The ball nose is only 30 thousandths of an inch diameter, and we're using it to put a nice crosshatch pattern on the top of our part, and a little bit later we'll be doing some 3D surfacing with that same tool.
And so you're running 30,000, 50,000 RPM, something like that?
Or faster. We're going as high as 65,000 RPM with those high-speed spindles. We're using that for our engraving and our micro drilling a little bit later on. These are very small tools that take very small chip loads, little bites. So the faster we can turn that spindle, the faster we can feed it and still maintain our perfect chip load.
And you've also got the MQL option that's installed in this machine, lubricating those tools.
It's a good match. It keeps our tools nice and sharp.
So that makes TAB even more useful. I can start out with my roughing, and I can keep the chips out of the cut, and I can finish up with this very fine machining and drilling.
Yeah, all with the TAB option.